Hey guys, welcome back to Build with Nick. I'm Nicolai Apano, and today we're going to discuss the part 2 of internal fit out. We're pretty much close to finishing my house and I can't wait to show this one to you. So stay tuned. We did the internal fit out part 1, which include the ceramic tilings, the carpet, the plastering, and so forth. I have a separate video if you want to watch that internal fit out part 1. Click the link below. Nonetheless, we're gonna go through the internal fit out part 2, which is the most exciting part as well, because you can see internally the house is almost finished. Alright, so let's start. The first step of the internal fit out part 2 will be the completion of the ensuite toilet, ensuite bathroom, and the guest bathroom and guest toilet. So they're going to put the shower screen. As you can see, I picked a black shower screen, and they're going to put the toilet, the sink. The sink is part of the internal fit out part 1, but they will put the tap or the faucet, and they will put the bathtub. At the same time, few ceramic tilings inside the bathroom. Alright, so the next one will be the sliding door. We have here a double sliding door with a mirror. At the same time, we have a cloth hanging and shelf. So all of the bedrooms have a sliding door, while the master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet. The next one will be the installation of the oven and the induction. As you can see, I've chosen an induction rather than a hot plate. It really depends on your own preference. You can either go to a hot plate or induction. However, induction can be much more expensive compared to a hot plate because you have to upgrade it from a hot plate. The main reason why I went with induction, maybe because it is good to look at the same time it is very easy to clean. So the next one will be the splashback. As you can see, I've changed my splashback into a glass splashback rather than a tileless splashback, and there's a lot of variety where you can choose from. But yeah, this one take me a while before they put it because they have to customize the splashback. As you can see, I have 2 more outlet in my splashback and 1 more onto this side. So the next one will be the tap or the faucet. So basically I just chosen a black faucet for my kitchen and for my scullery. So the next one, you've probably seen this one in the internal fit out part 1, but I haven't discussed it, is the bench top. So we have a quite spacious bench top all throughout. This one is stone. All throughout from the kitchen and to the scullery over there. As you can see, I didn't cut my bench top. So normally you can see a design that the bench top will be an aisle and this one will be cut. But I've decided to just combine everything and to have a U-shaped bench top style. With my bench top though, I've added a waterfall design. So this one is an upgrade if you want to. And another tip for you guys, I highly recommend to extend your overhang. Normally it is 150 to 200. If you can extend it until 300, so you can thoroughly push the chair underneath your bench top. And so the next one will be the blinds. During the time that they installed my blinds, it was on the same day when they installed the carpet. So with my blinds, as you can see, it is a vertical blinds, not a Venetian blinds. So you have 2 choices when you're doing your pre-start. You can go with a Venetian blinds that goes up or a vertical blinds. Either way, they have their own advantage and disadvantage, but I really like my vertical blinds. The next one will be the carpet. So like I said, the bedroom 2, 3, and 4, and the master bedroom, all of them has a carpet already. But you can change them if you want to put a tiles or a timber or a laminated timber. It's up to you. But for me, I went with a simple, friendly carpet. So one of the last part of the internal fit out will be the installation of the AC, which is the air condition. It is a reverse cycle ducted aircon. As you can see, we have a very user-friendly tablet over here where you can change the setting, turn on and off the aircon, at the same time change the zoning of your house. So with my house, we have, I believe, 6 zones. We have 1 in the home theater, living room, office, the other bedrooms 2, 3, and 4, and the master bedroom. As well as you can download the app from your phone, and you can easily turn on and off your aircon. So, as you might remember, a few weeks ago when we did the internal fit out part 1, we did the pre-wire, which is the preparation of the wirings around the house. As you can see, we've already finished the electric wirings, which include the outlets, the switches of the lights from the inside and outside of the house, the TV antenna right over here, and the data point. So it really depends on you where you want to allocate the location of your outlets and your electric wiring. So you're gonna do that during your pre-start. But yeah, with my outlets, so one of the example here is this will be the place of my TV. So I've added a TV antenna on top and an outlet on top. So basically, if I want to put a TV over here, I don't have any cables dangling below the TV. And with my data point or Ethernet connections, I have put 2 over here. So with your data points or Ethernet connection, make sure to put it in an open space rather than putting it in a room, because you want to have your Wi-Fi connection flow through properly around your house, because when you start putting it in a bedroom, the Wi-Fi signal will be blocked because there's a lot of corners around there. So put it in an open space so you can maximize your Wi-Fi signal. So for me, I put it in my living room. However, I have few more data points in my home theater and office. So if I want to have a better Ethernet connection. Alright guys, so before we finish with the internal fit out part 2, we're gonna test if the light is working now. I've been told that it is working now. So yeah, we have a switch over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I will try in 1, 2, 3, let there be light. Okay, it is working now. So basically the tradie, they did their initial inspection with the light, with the plumber, with the gas, so that one is all done. The internal and the external lights are working as well. So we're pretty much done with the internal fit out. The insulation has been installed prior to the aircon. So yeah, we're done with the internal fit out part 2. Next week will be the external fit out, which will be the paving, the garage door, etc. But guys, we are done with the internal fit out. It has been a good journey for us. You know, we started early this May, and you know, we're pretty much done. I can't wait. I can't thank you enough for you guys for watching my video, subscribing to my channel. Oh, and we hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm more than happy to share my journey with you. I know that, you know, building a house is quite scary, it's quite daunting as well. But yeah, I hope my videos help you to kind of give you a glimpse of, you know, how to build a house in Western Australia. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. The external fit out will be published this coming weekend. And we're gonna do the practical completion next week, so we're pretty much close to the key handover. So I can't really wait for you to see the overall finish of my house. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching this very long video. I hope it helps. If you haven't subscribed below, feel free to subscribe. If you haven't, smash that like button, keep liking it. At the same time, if you have any friends and family who wants to build their house, I'm more than happy to assist them. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a good week. Alright, see you. Bye.